you ever wondered if it's actually possible to land a well-paying remote job with no experience? Imagine trading your daily commute for a comfy chair at home and still earning a solid paycheck. Well, today I've got great news for you. In this video, we're diving into 17 easy-to-land work-from-home jobs that don't require any prior experience. Whether you're just starting out, looking for a career change, or simply wanting more flexibility in your life, these jobs are your ticket to working remotely without the stress of extensive qualifications. But before we jump in, do me a quick favor. Boop the like button, share this video with someone who needs it, and subscribe for even more ways to level up your career from the comfort of your home. Now, why does this matter? Because finding a job shouldn't feel like an uphill battle. Everyone deserves a chance at financial independence, and these opportunities are perfect for beginners ready to take control of their work-life balance. So let's get started and uncover these hidden gems together. Appraisal coordinator, the behind-the-scenes planner. Let's start with a job that's perfect for those who love organizing and multitasking. Appraisal coordinator. Picture yourself as the scheduling mastermind for the insurance and real estate industries. Your role? Managing appointments and ensuring everything runs smoothly for field assistants. This role doesn't just pay well, $53,000 to $76,000 per year, but also comes with an opportunity score of 7 out of 10. Strong communication and organizational skills are your tickets to success here. And for those intrigued by the real estate world, here's a fun fact. 1 in 10 Americans has sold a home due to paranormal activity. Who knows? Your organized touch might just keep the ghosts at bay. Internet raider, shaping the digital world. Now, let's move to a role that's all about improving the online experience. Internet raider. Have you ever wondered how search engines or social media platforms refine their results? That's where you come in, ensuring accuracy and relevance for platforms like Google, Bing, and Facebook. With salaries ranging from $87,000 to $247,000 per year at higher levels, this job offers fantastic growth potential, and it's rated a solid 9 out of 10 on the opportunity scale. Whether you're a night owl or an early bird, this job's flexibility makes it a top contender for remote work. Remote recruiter, the talent scout. If you're a people person who loves matchmaking, professionally of course, the role of a remote recruiter could be your dream job. You'll screen and source candidates for companies ranging from startups to global giants. No prior HR experience? No problem. This is an accessible entry point into the recruitment field. Plus, with salaries between $78,000 and $138,000 a year and an opportunity score of 9 out of 10, this job doesn't just pay the bills, it builds your career. Imagine helping someone land their dream job while working from your own cozy home office. Win-win. Now, this part of our list offers unique and high-potential jobs. Remote life coach. Associate, empowering growth. Let's talk about a role where you help people achieve their dreams. Remote life coach associate. You'll work with coaching firms or independent life coaches to assist clients in their professional and personal development. Did you know this industry is worth $3 billion? With salaries ranging from $79,000 to $143,000 annually, this job offers both financial rewards and the satisfaction of making a difference. While some might think life coaching is a bit unconventional, there's no denying its potential. Opportunity score? A solid 7 out of 10. Remote solar consultant, powering a greener future. If you're passionate about renewable energy, the remote solar consultant role is calling your name. This job involves educating potential customers about solar energy and guiding them through product decisions. It's perfect for those who thrive in sales and want to make a difference. With earnings of $155,000 to $282,000 a year, this role offers immense potential. And with a 9 out of 10 opportunity score, it's an excellent fit for those ready to channel their inner energy enthusiast. Junior systems manager, the IT innovator. For the tech savvy, there's the junior systems manager role. This job is all about optimizing IT systems and ensuring smooth operations. Whether you're troubleshooting software issues or improving system efficiency, you'll be at the heart of a company's tech ecosystem. Salaries range from $68,000 to $121,000 annually, and the opportunity score is a stellar 9.5 out of 10. If you've ever tinkered with tech for fun, why not turn that passion into a paycheck? Niche and entry-level jobs covers the next part of the list. Remote chess. Tutor. Checkmate your career. Are you a chess enthusiast? Turn your passion into a paycheck as a remote chess tutor. You don't need to be a grandmaster. Intermediate skills can go a long way in helping beginners improve. Whether you're coaching part-time or full-time, this role offers an income range of $65,000 to $118,000 per year. With an opportunity score of 7 out of 10, it's a unique and rewarding way to combine work and play. Insurance verification. Representative, the gatekeeper. If you enjoy structure and clarity, the role of an insurance verification representative could be your fit. You'll pre-qualify customers applying for insurance services, ensuring they're ready for the next step. It's a straightforward job with salaries between $37,000 and $51,000 per year and an opportunity score of 8.5 out of 10. Think of it as as your entry ticket into the ever-expanding insurance industry. Appointment generator, creating opportunities. Let's talk about appointment generators. Your role here is to reach out to potential clients via calls, emails, or messages, setting up valuable opportunities for the sales team. It's a critical role across industries like tech and healthcare, with salaries ranging from $61,000 to $111,000 per year. With a 9 out of 10 opportunity score, this job is perfect for those with strong communication skills and a proactive mindset. Finance and insurance roles make up this section of the list. Tax preparer, numbers with a purpose. It's that time of year again, tax season. And for many, it's a stressful experience. That's where the tax preparer steps in, bringing order to financial chaos. As a tax preparer, you'll assist individuals and businesses in preparing and filing their taxes accurately. It's a bit like being a financial detective, uncovering deductions and ensuring every figure is accounted for. You'll likely work for accounting firms, tax preparation companies, or even independently during busy seasons. With a salary of $46,000 to $69,000 a year and an opportunity score of 8 out of 10, this role is ideal for detail-oriented individuals who enjoy working with numbers and spreadsheets. Bonus: Excel will become your new best friend. Finance associate, building futures. Now, let's dive into a role where your organizational skills shine. Finance associate. Imagine helping clients navigate their financial journeys, from setting up policies to managing budgets. You're not just crunching numbers, you're empowering people to achieve their financial goals. Working with financial institutions, consulting firms, or corporate finance departments, you'll earn between $63,000 and $100,000 a year. The opportunity score of 7.5 out of 10 reflects its accessibility, especially for those who are tech-savvy and have strong communication skills. If you're the kind of person who loves problem-solving and planning, this could be your perfect fit. Property and casualty producer, guiding the insured. Ever wanted to be the go-to person when life throws a curveball? As a property and casualty producer, you'll remotely assist clients with their insurance needs. Whether it's protecting someone's dream home or ensuring a small business has liability coverage, this role lets you make a tangible difference. Employers include insurance agencies and brokerage firms, and with a salary range of $64,000 to $116,000 a year, it's both rewarding and stable. It's a 7 out of 10 on the opportunity scale, requiring sales skills and a knack for customer service. If you're someone who enjoys building trust and solving problems, this job could be a fantastic choice. For the techies, tech and emerging roles are next on the list. Remote audio data collector, shaping the future of AI. Have you ever wondered how virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa understand you so well? As their remote audio data collector, you'll contribute to refining voice command technology. By recording sentences in various settings, you'll play a key role in making AI smarter and more adaptive. This cutting-edge job pays between $68,000 and $126,000 a year and boasts an opportunity score of 9 out of 10. It's perfect for tech enthusiasts looking for a role at the intersection of innovation and practicality. No degree? No problem. Your voice might just be the next big thing in AI. Junior systems manager, the tech guardian. If you've ever been the person friends call for tech advice, it's time to monetize those skills. As a junior systems manager, you'll ensure that IT systems run smoothly and troubleshoot any hiccups along the way. Think of yourself as the guardian of a company's tech ecosystem. With a salary of $68,000 to $121,000 a year and at 9.5 out of 10 opportunity score, this role is highly accessible for tech-savvy individuals. All you need are problem-solving skills, basic IT knowledge, and a love for optimizing systems. If you enjoy solving puzzles and streamlining processes, this is your calling. Next on the list, sales and support roles. Appointment generator, setting the stage for success. Sales teams are only as strong as the opportunities they chase. As an appointment generator, you'll be the first point of contact, reaching out to potential clients through calls, emails, or messages. Your goal? To set up meetings and pave the way for big deals. This role spans industries like tech and healthcare and pays $61,000 to $111,000 a year. With a 9 out of 10 opportunity score, it's accessible for go-getters with strong communication skills. Think of it as a fast-paced, people-centric role that combines persistence with adaptability. Insurance verification, representative, the first line of trust. Imagine being the person who ensures everything is in order before clients dive into their insurance plans. As an insurance verification representative, you'll pre-qualify applicants, verifying their eligibility and readiness for coverage. It's like being the gatekeeper for financial security. This role offers a salary of $37,000 to $51,000 a year and an opportunity score of 8.5 out of 10. It's a great entry-level position in the insurance industry, requiring attention to detail and basic communication skills. If you're looking for a job with stability and growth potential, this is a great starting point. Last on our list, remote chess tutor, a strategic career move. For chess enthusiasts, here's a chance to turn your passion into income. As a remote chess tutor, you'll teach beginners and intermediates the art of strategy and foresight. Whether you're helping kids master the basics or guiding adults toward tournament-level play, this role lets you share your love for the game. With salaries ranging from $65,000 to $118,000 a year and an opportunity score of 7 out of 10, it's a unique niche for those who want to combine work and play. If you've ever dreamed of making a career out of your hobbies, this could be your checkmate moment. As we wrap up this exciting journey through the world of remote work, one thing is clear: the possibilities are endless. From tech-savvy roles like junior systems manager to creative niches like remote chess tutor, there's truly something for everyone. Whether you're passionate about helping others, diving into tech, or finding a unique way to turn your hobbies into income, there's a job here that can align with your skills and interests. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite job from this list? Drop it in the comments below and share why it caught your eye. Let's keep the conversation going and inspire others who might be searching for their perfect fit. And remember, these jobs aren't just opportunities, they're doors to new chapters in your life. Remote work is more accessible than ever, and your ideal role could be just a click away. So take that leap, explore these options, and start shaping the future you've always dreamed of. Thanks for watching. I hope you loved this How to Make Money video and found the content interesting and informative. Please like and leave a comment and your questions below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.